Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at Summit Therapeutics Inc., ticker symbol SMMT, a lung cancer drug study and stock sale agreement play. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey, always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called 5 100% plus runners and 3 other large runners for our private Discord members today, September 12th, 2024, and here are the top 3. We alerted GV pre-market today to our private Discord members before its parabolic run up 224%. We also alerted EGIO today to our private Discord members before it ran up 191%. And MNPR was alerted to our Discord members pre-market today before it ran up 122%. We are just made different. The early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with Summit Therapeutics Inc., SMMT, which is headquartered in Miami, Florida. It's a publicly traded biotechnology company with a $19.8 billion market cap and 105 employees. Summit Therapeutics Inc. focuses on the discovery, development, and commercialization of patient, physician, caregiver, and societal-friendly medicinal therapies in the United States and the United Kingdom. The company's lead development candidate is ivonescimab, a bispecific antibody for immunotherapy through blockade of PD-1 with the anti-angiogenesis and anti-effectives portfolio, including SMT738, a novel class of precision antibiotics for the treatment of multi-drug resistant infections. And it has a collaboration and a license agreement with Akeso Inc. and its affiliates to develop and commercialize ivonescimab. The company was founded in 2003. Now let's take a look at some of SMMT's most recent news. A study was released which was reported on September 9, 2024, that showed that some lung cancer patients on the company's experimental drug ivonescimab had better survival rates than those on Merck's blockbuster Keytruda. The study results showed patients lived a median of more than 11 months without a progression in the disease, a statistically significant improvement over Keytruda, the world's biggest selling drug. Summit's stock price has since surged more than 4 times. In addition to the drug study results, today on September 12, 2024, the company revealed that it entered into agreements with several biotech institutional and individual accredited investors for the sale of over 10.3 million shares for roughly $235 million in a private placement. Now, the price action on SMMT's stock was reportedly pushed upward today 22.5% with this latest news, in addition to the 72% earlier this week with the news on the drug study. Now, these could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. Of course, since this stock has quite a heavy float, currently 85 million shares, it will definitely need quite a bit of volume. A continuation in price increase is possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different. And the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, how we read key candlestick patterns, and how we read those key levels, and how we use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join a membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Summit Therapeutics, Inc., SMMT, is a publicly traded biopharmaceutical company that's in the healthcare sector. SMMT is a company we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic scalp trading. Now, will SMMT run parabolic? It will need quite a bit of volume due to the float. But who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually scalp trade this stock. This is not advice, and we are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion, and I will have SMMT on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I will see all of you again on the flip side.